Welcome back, Project Management All-Stars. As we continue to unravel the world of project management after discussing Waterfall and Agile, there's another key player we must introduce, Lean Six Sigma. Think of it as a child of two powerhouse methodologies, Lean and Six Sigma. Before we get into the intricacies of Lean and Six Sigma, let's talk a little bit about the history of Lean Six Sigma. Lean Six Sigma, as we understand it today, is a harmonious blend of two distinct methodologies, Lean and Six Sigma. While it may appear as a modern technique for improving business processes, its roots can be traced back several decades. The birth of Six Sigma is credited to an American company, Motorola. In the 1980s, engineer Bill Smith, while working at Motorola, formulated the Six Sigma methodology to address quality concerns in manufacturing processes. The primary objective was to limit defects and variations in processes, aiming for no more than 3.4 defects per million opportunities. The success of Six Sigma at Motorola, which led to substantial savings and quality improvements, quickly caught the attention of other major corporations. By the 1990s, industry giants like General Electric and Allied Signal had adopted and further popularized the methodology. Lean, on the other hand, finds its origins in post-World War II Japan, particularly within the Toyota Motor Company. The Toyota Production System, TPS, developed by Eiji Toyoda and Tadahashi Ohano, focused on waste elimination, continuous flow, and customer value. This methodology was centered on the idea of producing more value with less work. The term lean was coined later in the 1990s by researchers at MIT during their study of the Toyota model. They recognized that the principle of TPS should be universally applied beyond car manufacturing, leading to the broader lean approach as we know it today, the convergence of Lean Six Sigma. It wasn't until the 1990s and early 2000s that the strength of both methodologies were combined, giving rise to Lean Six Sigma. Businesses began to see the value of using Lean's waste reduction strategies in tandem with Six Sigma's focus on variation and defect reduction. The fusion promised and delivered enhanced operational efficiency, improved quality by addressing both the flow, which is Lean, and accuracy, Six Sigma, of processes. Today, Lean Six Sigma is recognized worldwide and across various sectors from manufacturing to services and healthcare to IT. It provides a structured framework for businesses to achieve operational excellence and customer satisfaction. While both Lean and Six Sigma methodologies can stand on their own, their convergence in Lean Six Sigma offers a comprehensive toolset for business to achieve both efficiency and effectiveness in their processes. Now, where does Lean Six Sigma truly shine? In mission, aiming to streamline operations, bolster quality, and turbocharge processes. An essential piece of this puzzle is fostering robust team collaborations, which essentially brews a thriving work environment. When your team feels empowered, productivity soars, and projects tend to flow seamlessly. Zooming in on Lean Six Sigma, we encounter a systematic five-step strategy, DMAIC, or DMAC, that's what I like to call it. And to be honest with you, I don't know if anybody else does. DMAC, an acronym for Define, Measure, Analyze, Improve, and Control. This isn't just an abstract set of phases. DMAC is your compass to spotting and ironing out process wrinkles, with each stage being pivotal to extracting the best from your project. The brilliance of DMAC? Its adaptability across a myriad business challenges. Let's dive deep. Let's begin with Define. This phase sets the foundation. Much like the traditional project management initiation phase, you chalk out the project landmarks. Picture yourself coordinating with a popular online clothing brand, eager to simplify their return processes. Your aim? Transform a convoluted 5-day return process into a swift 48-hour experience. Then we have Measure. Data takes center stage here. To refine operations, outline the current methodology, identify snags, and quantify their repercussions. Drawing from our example, you might assess stats like average return times, monthly return quantities, and associated reason. Establishing a framework for consistent evaluation, monthly check-ins. Then we have Analyze. Connect the dots time. Once data is in hand, it's time to spot the inconsistencies. Perhaps during peak sales seasons, return requests skyrocket, but manpower remains static. Analyzing such data intricacies is pivot, and heads up, we'll dive deep into this in our forthcoming sessions. Improve is next. With a comprehensive problem layout, you now pivot to solutions. Many leapfrog directly here, bypassing analysis. However, solid analysis is the cornerstone of effective enhancement. In our apparel return example, improvements might involve deploying an automated return request system to expedite the process. Lastly, we have Control. Having optimized the system, the next challenge is to maintain that efficiency. The goal? Keep the revamped mechanism humming smoothly and prevent any relapse into less efficient methods. So let's break DMAC down to its individual parts one last time. Define. This is used to pinpoint what to measure. Then we have measure to discern what to analyze. Then we have analyze to unearth areas needing refinement. Then we have improve to deduce what mandates control. Lean Six Sigma and the DMAC blueprint are invaluable, especially when navigating intricate challenges. Envision revamping supply chains or overhauling customer feedback mechanisms. With its data-centric approach, the focus is laser sharp on the end user, crafting sustainability resolutions for age-old challenges. But here's a nugget of wisdom. The realm of project management brims with diverse tactics, each driving towards one goal: streamlined execution and unparalleled value delivery. For instance, at a company like Apple, while one team might lean on Agile for software updates, they might pull from Waterfall for a hardware launch. Master the art of recognizing and adapting. Know multiple strategies to morph your approach, aligning perfectly with team dynamics and end goals. No magic formula guarantees flawless project execution, but with a holistic grasp on a varied framework, you're gearing up for greatness. See you next class.